Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So on my lips today I'm actually wearing a gloss. I very rarely wear glosses because I'm not a gloss girl. I love my matte lipsticks, but today I'm wearing this Mars's Toffee Twirl Candelicious lip gloss in the shade 11, and this is very light on your lips, and I like it when glosses are not too pigmented and have a very mild color, very slight hint of color, and this is exactly what that does. So on days when I don't feel like wearing something heavy on my lips, I always go for this gloss. So now I'm in my 30s, and if there's one thing I diligently without fail do is taking care of my under eyes, because your under eyes is one place where signs of aging is seen first when compared to the rest of your face. So it's really important to take care of your under eyes. You don't want wrinkles, dark circles, you want it to look plump. You also want makeup to sit well, and on days when you are doing heavy makeup and heavy concealing, you don't want your concealer to look dry and settle in fine lines, and that will happen only if you take good care of your under eyes. So today I'm going to show you a very easy, simple DIY that probably will cost you like 100 rupees a month to take care of your under eyes, and it's super effective, super good. You probably already have these things at home, so this won't take you much time, and I'm going to show you a simple way to also store it so that it's easy. It's quick, and I like low effort. I like things that are effective but don't take a lot of effort, and this is one of those remedies. So if you want to know how to do it, then please keep watching. Also, can you see that my skin is skinning and I have nothing on my face, guys? I have just washed it and I dried my face and I have nothing on my face, and this is how my skin looks. So if you think my DIYs take a little time and effort, I think you should put that time and effort, because that time and effort will help you stay so low maintenance when it comes to just washing your face and walking out, because this is how your skin will look. Okay, so the first thing that you will need is castor oil. You can use any that you have. I'm using the Jamaican black castor oil. This works really well for your hair and skin. Next you will need is almond oil. You can use any. I'm using the one that I usually use on my daughter. This is really nice. But again, you can use any almond oil that you already have. Next, you will also need glycerin. It really helps to keep your under eyes supple and plump, and deeply hydrates your skin, especially because that is really sensitive. Now lastly, you'll need an empty bottle. Make sure that the bottle is glass, because you cannot store castor oil in plastic bottle. Now you're going to mix equal parts of castor oil and almond oil and very little bit of the glycerin. Now how much you use doesn't really matter, but just make sure that castor oil and almond oil is used in equal parts. The glycerin is just there for hydration and suppleness. But once you've added this in the glass bottle, you can shake it really well. Now I like the one with this roller tip, because the metal tip adds a very cooling effect to my under eyes, especially at night or in the morning. It also helps bring down the puffiness in my eyes. I mix 3 bottles, and that is more than enough for Deepak and me for a month. So that's how simple this is, guys, but this is so effective. All you have to do is, after you've done your skincare, as your last step, you can use this under your eyes, and then with your ring finger slowly take time to massage it into your skin. Now castor oil and almond oil are extremely good when it comes to erasing any wrinkles. Castor oil penetrates deep into your skin to give you hydration, and also completely removes your wrinkles, and almond oil helps brighten your skin, especially if you have dark circles. Then this will really help, and all of this together, if you are consistent, will really help in bringing down your wrinkles, crow's feet, in hydrating your skin down there, and also removing any kind of darkness and pigmentation that you have. But make sure you are consistent. Use this every night, and make sure to take some time to massage this. If you use this closer to your eyelashes as well, your eyelashes also will start growing, so this is amazing for that as well. Take your time with your skin, love your skin, put in effort, and you will definitely see results. Your skin will also love you back. I will leave the links to all these ingredients in the description box. You can check it out. And once you buy these bottles, it will last you for a very long time, at least a year or more than a year. So this is very low investment. You don't have to spend a lot of time, but it is so effective that you will start seeing results within a week. If you have any doubts or questions, you can leave them in the comments section below and I will make sure to reply it. And I will meet you guys in my next video. Until then, bye.